Welcome all of my fans. Today I'm back with Pioli P994 and I got something cool for you guys today. Lego superheroes. So I'm gonna build this. So let's do this. Alright, now I'm gonna pull out the minifigures. First, let's start off with Batman. Batman has some cool features. I like the printing in the front and the back. I like the cape. And Batman. We're happy that this is not the Batman from the Lego movie. Yeah, I'm going to have that in the next show, but I'm happy it's not him because the other one's crazy. This one's from the real Batman. Next up, what was that? We have Nightwing. Nightwing, awesomeness, acrobatic. I like the hair and the printing. He has two faces, just like Batman. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm finished with Nightwing. All of the minifigures have two faces. Alright. This is Batman's face. The other face, and this other is. Alright, next up, where is guys, where's Batman? Oh, he's over here. Alright. The evil Mad Bat. Destroy this car. Break the car. My name's Man Bat, and I break everything. And Man Bat, he has two faces. He has a scaredy face and awesome face, like evil face. I like this because he has wings and his hands don't go like this, they go like this actually. And those TNT bombs that he can just throw at people. Yeah. So now we're finished with the minifigures. So now we're going to the vehicles. There's only two vehicles for Nightwing and him and Batman. Alright, now this is Nightwing's his jetpack. Let me put him on so you guys can see. Wait, let me give you guys that. This was a sticker, not printed. I think I wanted these missiles. Yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this yeah, something like that. Alright, guys. This is the back of Nightwing. Alright. Now, last but not least, dun, da, da, dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, dun, da, da, dun. The ultimate Batman. Alright, guys, this is pretty large. Not large, but large. Oh man, I just broke off the wing. Yeah, the wings, they're easy to break off. But yeah, that's what you got. You just gotta deal with it. Alright, Batman's inside. There's missiles. Another one. There's two missiles that comes with it. The light. And the cool thing about it is this. There's a hook and this lever, you can pull it down and up. Yeah, so let me just show you a demonstration. Like you could take Nightwing's jet, maybe. Let's say that Man-Bat broke it. So let's see Batman save Nightwing with this cool helicopter hook. Dun, da, 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 da. Dun, da, 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 da. Alright guys, I just gotta put the hook on. Alright, the hook is on. My name is Man-Bat, and I'm gonna get you. And then, no, enough. That's enough. Alright, now he can pull him up. You're saved, Nightwing. You're saved. Alright, guys. Let's put him back down. And everyone, if you want to get more check this baby out. Alright guys, I'm gonna bring the cast, everybody that was here. Done. It's the end of the video. Come on, Bats. Have some balance. Thank you, everyone. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe.